Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I don't normally do What Did You Buy Wednesdays, but this one's kind of special. This just arrived, and I have had my eye on this kit on eBay for over a year now. It is the closest I can find out there, and really, I think there's only one other on eBay. The only one I can find out there that's even close to my bike. And mine again was a 83 Yamaha 650 Heritage Special, and this is the Midnight Special. And if you look at that font, it's the same as that font on my bike. The seat was the same. If you look back here, the rear bar is exactly the same. You know, the front, the blacked out grille, blacked out fenders, the blacked out dials, all the same. I mean, really, if you swapped out that engine for a 650 and changed the wheels to spokes, that'd be my bike. So I wanted it so bad. And originally it had like 5 other people looking at it. And I'm like, okay, no big deal. And then as the price came down, the number of people who saved it started going up, and it was in like the 20s. And then I get a reminder about it, and I go into the reminder, and now it's in the 30s of people who saved it. And so I finally pulled the trigger, and I'm so psyched. I'm probably going to build this over Christmas break, Christmas vacation. So yeah, I'm just super, super happy. And then some other kits. So this is the motorcycle version of the What Did I Buy? I had bought actually these 2 kits at which are 1 to 24 race bikes, the Honda NSR 500, Honda RC 211, in 1 to 24 at, I think it was MSM contest. And then I got this kit when I was on vacation over in England, and I have since gone through that, and I can salvage the Ducati, and that's about it. But it has a lot of extra decals. So then I saw these out there, and I also saw some bases that are styled after the racetrack. As a matter of fact, they kind of look a lot like that. Base cards for like a base, and I thought, you know, I could do something like that. And so this vendor had all 4 of those out there. Now this is a duplicate of that one there that I've already built, but I'm not crazy about the job that I did on that, so I may redo the bike. I'm happy with the rider, but the bike I may redo. And then this one, and they come with the riders, and this one's super cool. This Honda NSR 500 comes with the rider. Doggone, can I do this with one hand? And he's carrying the flag. So that's kind of cool. I thought that was neat. And again, I can do the base with this interior and asphalt and try to do these bases. And I thought I could have like that guy on his own base, but then the rest of these guys, you know, those 2 over there, and then, you know, 2 or 3 of these or whatever. I think you can get 3 or 4 of them on there, and like they were racing against each other, or, you know, on there. Could be kind of cool. So yeah, these are the Heller 1 to 24, you know, race motorcycle sets. And at one point Airfix had them. I don't know whether Airfix had them first or Heller, but like I said, I built this one, you know, you saw it up there, and that was out of an Airfix kit, but it's exactly the same. So yeah, Yamaha YZR 500, Oliver Jacques, the Abe one, the Suzuki RGV 500, which I just built, and then the Honda NSR 500. And like I said, I can get a Ducati out of the kit down there, and I've got 2 Hondas there. So altogether, you know, that'll be 6, 7 bikes. So that'll be cool. So that, somewhere down the road, that won't be anytime soon necessarily like that. But somewhere down the road, I'll do that. And then the other thing I got is this Sunni kit. And you may remember I have this whole set, 1 through 8, of these 1 to 24 bikes, street bikes. And I actually have that Suzuki GT750 right there. And then I came across this, which is the same bike, but it has the sidecar. And so again, God, I am so addicted to eBay. So again, saw this on eBay and saved it, waited till it came down. I think I counter offered when he sent me an offer, and I got a decent price on it. It was nowhere near what that was, but yeah, so that's going to be cool somewhere down the road. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is, again, it's kind of motorcycle related in that I talked about when I went to Duneland, how these guys are going around putting chips on bikes, and I just thought that was so cool. And I so appreciated that I wanted to pay it forward. I'm going to Nationals next year. I already have my reservations. And so I had these chips made of my logo, with the logo on one side. And you may have seen this on Box Stock Garage. Tim, and I sent him the very first one in honor of our buddy build for the Suzuki. But yeah, they say, I really like your model. Thank you for sharing it. And then it's got my QR code on the back. I think it's cool, and hopefully people will appreciate it. So, and then there's a place out online where you can, have your own made. So yeah, I thought that was cool. So that does it for this episode. I hope you found that interesting, and stay tuned down the line for the build of that. I cannot wait. And as always, thanks for watching, and happy modeling.